Good morning, class 2 children. Now let us start Science, chapter 11, Plants Around Us. Parts of a plant: root, stem, leaf, seed, flower, fruit. Types of plants: things we get from plants, care for plants. You will read these things in this chapter. We can see different types of plants and trees around us that make the surroundings beautiful. So we can see many kinds of plants which makes the surroundings beautiful. That means flower, fruits are there. We are dependent on them for a number of things. Let us know more about them. Parts of a plant: see, root, stem, seed, fruit, leaf. Fruit is inside the seed is inside the fruit. Leaf, flower. Do you know what are the parts of a plant? Each part of a plant has a different function. Root. The root helps the plant to absorb water and mineral from the soil. Root also gives support to the plant. Generally, root absorbs the water from the soil and it keeps the plant straight. Stem. Stem helps the plant to stand upright. It also carries water and minerals from the roots and food from the leaves to different parts of the plant. Collect water from the root and you send it to the other parts of the plant. Leaf. Leaf makes food for the plant. Leaf is the kitchen of the plant. It makes food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Seed. The seed is a present in fruit or flower of a plant. A new plant grows from the seed. Inside the fruit there is seed, and from the seed new plant grows. Flower. The flower produces fruit or seed. From the flower, fruits, and inside the fruits seed we get. Fruit. The fruit has seeds in it. See, potato and ginger are modified stems. They grow underground. Be careful, children. It will be MCQ. Underground, that stem. A cactus has leaves modified as thorns. Its green stem makes food for the plant. Types of plants. You must have seen plants in different sizes and forms. Some are tall and huge, while some others are small, delicate, and lie on the ground. Trees. Big plants are called trees, like neem, peepal, coconut, mango, oak, etc. The trees have huge wooden stem called trunk, and others they are plant, fruit, branches, fruits, seeds. Then inside the fruit, seeds are there. Then flowers, etc. Shrubs. Small plants with woody stem are called shrubs. See, woody stem, like rose, hibiscus, etc. Hibiscus have smaller stem branching off near the ground. Near the ground, small branches are there. This is the rose. Hibiscus. This is shrubs. That means small branches that is nearby the stem. Stem is near and weak stem, not so much like the other tree trunk. There is little different in trunk and that stem. Stem is small and not so much strong like trunk. Then herbs. Very small plants are called herbs, like mint, chili, tulsi, tomato, etc. Their stems are soft. Leaves and stems of some herbs are used as medicines for the flavoring food. So after shrubs, first trees, then shrubs, then herbs. Herbs are small plants like they are called herbs, like mint, chili, tulsi, tomato, etc. Their stems are soft. See, tomato stem. Leaves of, and stem of some herbs are used as medicines and for flavoring food. like coriander, mint. Use mint, chili, tomato. You can eat it raw. Otherwise, you can use it in curry and other things also. Climbers. Some plants have weak stem and cannot grow straight on their own. They need support. These are called climbers. Without support, they cannot go. So they need a support to climb. These are called climbers, like pea plant, money plant, grapevine, etc. See, money plant needs support. Creepers. Some plants with weak stem grow along the ground. These are called creepers, like strawberry, pumpkin, trumpet, watermelon also there. Generally their fruits are heavy, so they cannot go take a support due to their fruits. See, pumpkin, watermelon, strawberry is not so, but huge are there, many are there. So the stem cannot bear that plant. Now go next. There are some plants that grow in water or on the surface of water. Their leaves and other parts have thick, waxy coating to prevent water decay from, for example, water lily and lotus. See, lotus, that side, the other side, that is have thick and waxy coating, the downside, to prevent water to decay. And these plants grow on the water and surface water or near the water. Now children, up to here you read fast and you think about MCQ. Next day I will complete it. Thank you.